Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is January 11 and today we are going to take a look at the chart of the Nvidia 60 minutes time frame. We got a bullish sequence here, right side up. So everything is pointing out to a bullish market. Now obviously everybody knows Nvidia has already broken to a new all-time high, suggesting that again the trend still remains firmly to the upside. Now based on the 1 hour time frame, let's see what we got. So we have this wave 2, wave 1, intermediate degree. So we got wave 1 ending here, wave 2 ended here. Clearly corrective, look at this. 3 swings down, rally, down again. This entire pullback is a clear 3 swings down, which is corrective. And obviously it breaks to new high. Now, we should remain to be bullish against this 472, which is the invalidation level, against this previous wave 2 low. And in the shorter cycle, there are two possible paths here. Now this is the primary view, is still extending higher within this wave 3. So within this wave 3 in the blue color or intermediate degree, we got this subdivision of 5 waves, 1, 2, and then now is about to finish 3 and then a 4 and a 5, right? Now what will be the alternate? Well, the alternate is very simple. The alternate is that we finish with 3 here, right? Now adjustment is very simple to be made, right? As you know, adjustment is super simple to be made. So I can just move around a little bit like this and suddenly everything could be complete, right? I just simply move around the positioning of the label like this, and then suddenly we can call it completed, right? We can call this entire move 5 waves ending 5 of 3. Okay, now is there any difference? Well, slight difference. The only difference being that if we are ending 3 in blue here instead of 3 in red, you might get a bigger pullback. That's the difference. The 3 pullback is going to be a bigger 3 pullback. Does it change the view that this is bullish? No. It still remains bullish and still remains to be only strictly buy in the dips. Now because we can always extend higher and higher without having to pull back. That's the nature of the bullish market. You are at the mercy of the market. You wait for a 3 pullback to come to you to buy. You are not trying to pick the top, short sell or anything like that. But you know, if the structure is incomplete, then all you can do is really waiting for the market to give you an opportunity to join the trend, right? So let me kind of reload the page to give you the primary view, which is still in the 3 in red. Like I said, 3 in red or 3 in blue, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You're gonna still see 3 pullback, and that 3 pullback is gonna continue to find support in 3, 7, 11 swing, right? I mean, structure of the corrective sequence is always gonna be in 3 swing or 7 swing. Now, let's zoom out to the daily time frame and get some ideas, right? So I'm gonna be focusing on primarily this 1 in blue and 2 in blue. When we look at the daily time frame here, that's your 1 and 2. Same position as this 1 hour time frame here. So what we can see here now, obviously this is as bullish as it gets, continues to make a higher high, right? Now couple of observation here. Which one is the last significant low from this structure here? To me, the last significant low is this one, right? Which is November 2023 here. That's the last significant low. Now from here, what do you see? I can clearly see 1, 2, and then another 1, 2, right? So this is some sort of a nest over here. Larger degree 1. Obviously nobody is trying to label this as a corrective because it breaks to new all-time high, right? So it has to be impulsive, so we have to label it as a 1, 2, 1, 2. So then you got 1, 2, and then you got another 1, 2. Sub is the nest, you know, like subdivision of this 3 higher. Now within this 1, 2 in blue, if you do the extension analysis, we are getting closer to this 1.618, which is typically what a wave 3 should be. Now then we go back to the 1 hour time frame idea. Alright, that's why we're still calling it higher for now to finish with 3 in blue. So ideally with 3 in blue ends somewhere around this area, maybe 559 at the ideal level, or slightly above, slightly below, something like. It's not perfect level, right? Now the alternate we talk about is that without reaching 1.618, we could be ending with 3, which is perfectly fine. I got a lot of people always asking in the comment, why do you call wave 3 not reaching 1.618? I read that wave 3 needs to reach 1.618. Well, no guys, there is no rule that says wave 3 must be 1.618, right? There's no Elliott wave rules that says that. The only rule about wave 3 is that wave 3 cannot be in the shortest wave. That's the only rule, right? It doesn't say wave 3 cannot be shorter than wave 1. It doesn't say wave 3 cannot be 100%, right? It doesn't say wave 3 must be 1.618. Only saying wave 3 cannot be in the shortest wave. So here we have the wave 3 here already above 100%, not yet 1.618. Technically speaking, it could be ending anytime. It doesn't have to reach the 559, even though, yeah, I mean, why not? We're still calling extension higher, but you need to understand, if you chase the upside here, it can get quite risky. But the thing is, it doesn't matter, like I said, whether the pullback is a wave 4 in red, wave 4 in blue, you're still going to extend higher anyway. Look at this. The structure looks incomplete. There is no impulsive structure because it makes new all-time high that ends like this, guys. This is not in any way or form a completed 5 waves. If we look at it from the last significant low, which is November 2023, right? This is absolutely incomplete as a 5 waves. And we will have, you can clearly see, we will have a few more high here. This is only within the 3 here, so you get a 4. You have a sequence of 3, 4, 5, and then another 3, 4, 5 in the black degree before potentially this entire thing could be ending as a 5 waves. And if you want to know the time, now time is not part of the Elliott wave theory, right? But you can just look at this move up here with 1, right? This is from November all the way to, well, this is only like wait, November, so October 31st to November 21st, so it's about 3 weeks. So this is 3 weeks, and you can, in this wave 3 is not even done yet at this moment, right? You need to see a sequence of 3, 4, 5 before ending 3 in black, and then you got a pullback here which takes you like this is around a week, and then so I'm just extending higher within the same time expectation of the previous leg. So if this is 3 weeks, you can expect between 4 and 5, maybe around 3 weeks, and this is around 2 weeks. So 2 weeks plus 3 weeks, and then this is not done. So we're talking about months here, right? We're talking about months. 2 weeks plus 3 weeks is already 5 weeks, already more than a month. And we are not even done with the wave 3 yet. So we're talking about maybe the next 3 to 4 months, the direction will always continue to go higher. Now, it doesn't mean it's always gonna go higher every single day, but it is clear as clear as you can see it that you shouldn't try to short sell, and you should continue to keep buying the dips if there is any pullback in the Nvidia in 3 swing or in 7 swing. You can need to buy it for more upside. All right, so that's the idea here. And as always, if you want to get more updates on Nvidia or any other stock, ETF, Forex, commodities, we got 14 days trial, and the link is in the description of the video. I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.